Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we will dive into the codes, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to our website where you can find all of the codes I'll present you today with in the description, extended description, and then I will provide you, and many more tutorials which are really useful for this device. So as I said, highly recommend to click in the link. So let's start with opening the dialer, because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let's start with the longest one, which will open the product menu. And the code is *## 284 6579 ###. So as I said, you can take a screenshot or simply enter our website. ###, okay. So as I said, we are in the project menu. So here we've got some background settings, veneer information query, software upgrade, battery charge, or we can restore the factory settings. So after tapping on particular sections, you can learn more info and detail about your device. So for example, the battery level, the battery temperature, you can scan this QR code. Here you've got some information about the version, for example, so as you can see, really technical information. Let me show you another code, which is pretty easy to remember. It will open the About Phone section, so it is *##, 4 O's, ###. And as I said, we are in the About Phone section, so basically this is the shortcut of the previous secret code, for sure, less technical. Let me show you another code with the diagnostic mode. It is *##, 426, ###. And right here we do not have the information. Right now we've got it. Okay, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level should also be right here. After tapping on events, we can check some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and as you can see, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##, 225, ###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is also the shortest one. It is *## 06 £. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.